Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 and I'm going to show you how to change the ear cushions. So, this is very easy. Here, for example, I've got the right one. And you need to just try to pull this earphone cushion to yourself. Like, not I mean to yourself, but the opposite direction. Now, we have got one part out of it. So we need to just try to take this hole, and as you can see, now it works. As you can see, there are a lot of things to damage, like this thing over here. This thing over here can be easily damaged, but you need to be delicate so that you won't damage it. Now, how to put it back again? You need to put this, align these holes with this, as you can see, pins right here. And once they are aligned, just click every single of them until every single one clicks. Now we've got it done. That's how it works. Goodbye.